Hello? You'll never guess what I just saw.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the pool. They close soon. They'll close within 2 hours of me getting there. But sometimes I feel like... So, I got rid of my smartphone. One thing I didn't expect was how lonely it would be. I keep having this urge to call someone up and have a phone call and tell them, oh my god, guess what just happened? Guess what I just saw? I wonder if it's just me, but I have a feeling that a lot of us can remember our mothers having phone calls. And I remember thinking as a kid that women, mothers in particular, seemed to be so coordinated with the landline. Like, my mom could tuck that phone between her shoulder and her cheek and do anything with both of her hands free and have a long phone call with another woman about a recipe or something. And now it's like I am often present with the world not being on a smartphone, but it feels so formal these days to call someone up. And it feels like the way that I got used to sharing things was posting something to my story in order to have this shared connection. In order to say, like, look what I just saw. I think we should bring back phone calls.
a systems theorist, and so he has all these like